Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Python packages in an HPC environment. And this is part of the course Using Python in an HPC environment, taught by all these centers and for all NAISS clusters. The reason that this needs to be taught is you want to use Python packages and you need to use software modules. Python packages are important because they are pieces of tested Python code. And you should prefer using an existing and debugged and tested Python package over writing your own code. Probably as a researcher you're fine with this because probably you will be using a method that uses a Python package that's already written by someone else. In an HPC environment, software modules are important because it allows any user to activate their favorite software of any version. So this means all our users can use their own version, the one they prefer, and by loading these versions explicitly, this helps assure reproducible research. So this exercise is called Using Python Packages in an HPC Environment. So I will walk you through what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna do it in steps. So we need to log into our HPC cluster, obviously. Then we'll need to load the Python module, so we need to activate the Python module with our Kebnekaise here. So that's this Python module we'll be using. And then we'll be looking for a Python package if it's already installed. For Kebnekaise we'll be looking at SciPy. Spoiler, it's not yet installed, but that's how we can see if we will get it there. If we can get it installed by loading another module. Then we're going to look for that module. We're going to use some documentation for this, else we're going to use the module system itself to find the SciPy Python package. Then we're going to load the software module that activates the Python package. And when we've done, we're going to check if it is really present now. And then we're done. We can use our favorite Python package of our favorite version. So that's the exercise here. Let's start at the start. Log into your HPC cluster. Well, I have already prepared this. I put this here at the left, there, and at the right I have Kebnekaise. There and there. Let's get this closed. There. So I'm already at Kebnekaise. There's not very much going on here, but I am on Kebnekaise and I need to load this Python module. So sure, I have done this before. You can find the answer at day 1, 2. But I will just copy paste this answer here. We have done this at day 1 of this course. This is day 2 of this course. I'm gonna load this Python version 3.11.3. Kebnekaise 3.11.3. Now I have loaded Python, and now I need to look for this package being absent. So for this you use piplist. There are many ways to do it. I use piplist. It's in the answers too. So we are on Kebnekaise piplist. It works on all HPC clusters in this course at the moment. And now we're going to find the software module to load this package. So SciPy, it's not there, else it would have been somewhere here. So we need to find this in the Kebnekaise documentation. So for this I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm going to find the user documentation. So I'm going to type something like Kebnekaise HPC2, and that's the center. I'm going to look for SciPy, and maybe let's see what we get. SciPy, here we have isolate environment, here we have HPC Python, that's a course, Jupyter on Kebnekaise. Kebnekaise is here using GPU. I think this sounds, no, that's not correct. Well, let's try something that is actually theirs. Do we have the documentation? Well, I'm going to click on this. This is the center. And now we're going to look for the guides. And we're going to use, I have no idea. Oh, modules. Oh, that's a broken link. I'm going to search for SciPy here. SciPy here. Let's see what happens. Running Jupyter Lab at SciPy course for scientific computing. So using SciPy software, scikit-learn. I think this is a good documentation about how to load it. I'm going to look for SciPy. Ah, it's already here. Look from SciPy bundle. So that apparently is the module that has where this is part of. Oh yeah, and here you do module load and then the name of the module. Sure. So SciPy bundle, that's the magic name we're going to use. Let's double check if this is indeed how to do it. Do I need to look on Kebnekaise for SciPy module? Yes, I need to do that. So I'm going to do this now. I have the module in my mind. I have it in my clipboard. So now I'm going to load this module. So I'm going to do module load SciPy bundle. Well, I do need a specific version, so I'm going to do module spider. And that bundle, and I like to take the last one. So I'm going to do this. There. Like, I don't know I need to load another thing first, but I'll just show you how to deal with this. So I'm going to load this latest SciPy bundle and says, dear user, this won't work. Please type this to get more information. So I can do that. Then it says, dear user, you have to load this first. Sure, so we can do that. Module load and then this thing. Now we're gonna load the SciPy bundle. And let's check if it is now indeed present. Gonna look for SciPy. And there we have SciPy being present. So this means the package is now present. That means we have done it. This means we are now able to use Python packages in an HPC environment using the module system. With this, I wish you a very good day. Bye.